Okay, so one thing that I heard a lot about whenever I was doing my research on the Panasonic S5IIX before I bought it was the slow performance. But is that true? So I haven't turned on my camera since yesterday, so let's see if that's true. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, took about a second. That is slow. There's no doubt about it. And they also said it's slow in other things as well. Like, for example, if I wanted to look at the videos and pictures I've taken, I'll go up here, see how long that takes. Yeah, it wasn't bad, but still slower. So what do I mean by slow? Well, the camera that I came from before this was the Sony A7 IV full frame camera, and let me tell you, that was faster than this camera. Now, a second might not seem long, but if you're used to your camera turning on or doing, previews of your images and videos quickly, then this might be I would say a problem in some cases, especially if you are professional. But for some other people, this is okay and manageable. And honestly, I don't know why the performance is slow, because of the fact that this has really powerful hardware. This could do a lot of amazing things, and I would think that it would have more than enough processing power. So hopefully this is something that's software related. Now, one thing I do want to mention is, even though it took a longer time to actually get started up, let me show you something. So if I turn this off, right, and then I turn it on, that is much quicker. So what I've noticed is, if you have not used it, maybe overnight or in a few hours, it will take longer. But once you do turn it on and then you turn it on again, it'll work. So if you're out and about and you're having to turn it on and off, it's not going to be a problem in terms of that. So this is about the performance that I got with the Sony A7 IV. So I'll show you that again. So I'll turn that off, then I'll turn it on. Yeah, so it comes right up. So hopefully Panasonic can fix this, and I know for some people this might not be a problem at all, but for some other people, they just want to have the fastest performance possible, including myself, especially when you don't want to miss those moments. And so that's just a real world example of how there is definitely slower performance on this camera versus maybe some other full frame cameras or even other cameras that you use. Even my Panasonic G85, which is the Micro Four Thirds, it is a lot faster at starting up and also previewing images and videos. And so I really think this is something that Panasonic can fix, and hopefully they do with a future firmware update. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my camera or gear videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.